Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand constants. Const. This is the keyword used to define a constant in C. So, I'll try to understand about the constant concept in C. So far in our previous classes, we have seen how to declare a variable, a value which changes from time to time in the execution of the program. So it is what we call it as variable. The exact opposite of it is what we call it as constant. If we have declared something as a constant, its value will not change. It is not possible for us to change its value in the execution of the program. So it remains constant throughout the program. So those constants, those type of constants can be created by using in C programming, and that creation can be done in two different ways. One of the ways, there are two ways to define constants. One of the ways by using const keyword, and the other one is hash define, which is what we call it as preprocessor directives. So there are two different ways. One way is constant keyword, const keyword. So in this class we'll try to understand about const keyword. So before that, what is meant by a constant? A constant is a value that cannot be changed in the program. In the program, once the value is mentioned, so it is going to be the same throughout the program. So that is what we call it as constants. Constant. So there are different types of constants that we can create. It is integer constant, floating point constant, same as that of variables. Different variables that we can create, it is integer variable, floating point variable. In the same way, we can create different types of constant, octal constants, hexadecimal constants, character constants, and string constants. So we'll try to understand the concept of constant by using a program. And this is the program, and the keyword that we have to use, how to define a constant in the program is we have to use the keyword const, C-O-N-S-T, const, and the data type of that constant. For example, if you want to create a floating point constant, then we have to use float. Pi is the name of the constant, is equal to 3.14. So in this program, what I am trying to do is I am trying to change the value of Pi, which is not possible. Okay, so what happens with this in this program is, what's happening in this program is, initially I have created a constant, and the name of that constant is Pi, and the value that is assigned to this constant is 3.14. Pi means pi. Okay, and in the process of executing the program, I am trying to change the value of that constant. So the meaning of the constant is going to change, right? So it is not possible for you to change. So this is going to generate an error. Okay, while compiling the program, this error will get generated, and if this statement is not there, just it will print the value of Pi. Okay, so that is the use of constants, where means, so for example, if someone wants to change the meaning of pi, the value of pi, it should not be accepted. Okay, so for that reason we can create constants, and the most frequently where the constants are used are, so whenever we want to create a two-dimensional array of a specific size. So okay, so we'll try to understand about that example, the use of constants of example in our next class, where we are going to define a constant by using a hash define preprocessor directive. So this is all about constants and const keyword in C. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol, and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.